guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a shortcut by which you can see daily news from the websites. The benefit of this shortcut is you don't need to install different apps for news, and it will be very easy to see the headlines on daily basis. Let me show you the shortcut first. This is the shortcut in blue color, daily news. When you click this shortcut, it will show the list of the news websites. For example, BBC News, CNN, ARY, whatever the website you want. It's totally depend on your preference. Just click one button, for example, BBC News. When you will click BBC, it will show you the website of BBC. Let's try some other. I have clicked ARY News and it is showing me ARY News. So now I will tell you how to make this shortcut. Go to Shortcuts app, click this plus button, click Add Action, go to Scripting and select this Choose from menu. Here you will make a menu, for example, BBC News. And the other one, right now I will write CNN, and it's up to you whatever you want to add here. In the prompt you can write select news website. You see that BBC News and CNN are already there in the menu. Now the menu is created. Now we have to add actions. Click this plus button, write URL in the search bar, drag this URL under BBC News, click plus button again, write Safari and select show web page. Drag this one under the URL. Now the steps are almost complete for BBC News. Same steps for CNN. Write URL, drag this under CNN, click plus button again and write Safari, select show web page and drag under the URL of CNN. Now in these boxes of URL, we have to paste the URLs of CNN and BBC. Go to Safari, write BBC, copy this link and paste this link here in under BBC. Now search again, write CNN, go to CNN page, copy the URL of CNN and paste it here. Now we can check the shortcut during the process by clicking this plus button. It is showing me the prompt message, select news website, BBC News, CNN. Let's check BBC News. It's fine. Now I will check the other one, CNN. It's working as well. So I can add a number of websites as per my requirement. So it totally depends on you. Click next. And now, by the way, you can add to home screen as well. Right now I will click next. Here on the icon, I can give it some color and some icon here as well. I will give this one right now, just for an example. It's up to you, whatever you want to give. Click done and give a name to this shortcut, News Daily. This shortcut will also work with Siri. It's showing here. Just say, hey Siri, News Daily, and it will show you this shortcut. Click done button and this shortcut is showing here. If I click these three dots, I can add to home screen as well, but I prefer to use it from the widgets. So when you go to your widget screen, News Daily is there, click BBC News and it is showing me the news website. That's it from my side. Hope you like the video. I will make some more shortcuts And please subscribe the channel to see more shortcuts and other tech related videos. Thank you very much.